A lot of people have been asking him, so, doctor, how can I prevent hepatitis B? But before we look how can you prevent, we should know how can someone acquire hepatitis B. Now, before we do that, first of all, what is hepatitis B? Hepatitis B is a serious or chronic liver infection that is caused by hepatitis B virus. Now, how can someone acquire hepatitis B, or what is the mode of transmission of hepatitis B? The common cause of hepatitis B, it is body fluids. It is hepatitis B virus, which is transmitted via body fluids, and those body fluids include blood. We have semen, we have vaginal fluids, and also have sweat. If you get in contact with those, you are likely to suffer from hepatitis B. Then there are other common ways how someone can get hepatitis B virus, and those common ways include unprotected sex. If you have unprotected sex, chances are high of receiving hepatitis B in case someone had hepatitis B. There's what we call sharing sharp objects, those sharp instruments like needles and whatever. Maybe in the clinic or somewhere else, you are likely to suffer from hepatitis B in case someone had. Then there's what we call birth, mother child transmission. If mother had hepatitis B and is giving birth, she is likely to transmit this hepatitis B to the child. Then lastly, they have unsafe medical or dental procedures. In case you go to the clinic and they don't care about the professionalism and all that antics, you end up getting hepatitis B virus if you have gone for other treatments. So those are the common ways how people can get hepatitis B. Now, how do you know that you have hepatitis B? There are some symptoms which appear most of the times before 45 days pass. You are likely to show no sign, any sign and symptom. You are just there, you don't know where. But after 45 days, some symptoms appear. Some symptoms like what? We have jaundice of the eyes and the skin. You find the whole skin is yellow and the eyes are yellow. There's another sign which normally appear, that is extreme fatigue. Your liver communicates to you that it is always under stress. It is always tired. It is robbing away all your energy to be converted into what? To the liver, for the liver to function well. Then you know that you have hepatitis B if you experience extreme fatigue. Another thing is the joint pains and what? And the fever. Most of the times you have an onset of fever, like the temperatures are always high, the joint pains all over every time and again. You know that hepatitis B is on your way. Another sign and symptom which you can know, symptom which you can tell that you have hepatitis B, it is nausea and vomiting. Some people experience nausea and vomiting, which is onset. You are not sick, you are what, but it comes out of the blue, and you start to feel like vomiting, or you really you vomit. Then you have that pain in this region, the upper region of the abdomen. You always experience pain in the right upper part of the abdomen, and it is always inflamed, so sometimes reddened. Then you know that you have hepatitis B. Then another person is called another symptom which you can know that you have hepatitis B is called anorexia, which means lack of appetite. Consistent lack of appetite is not normal. It is a sign that you have hepatitis B. Then another side symptom which you can talk about is called micturating or passing out dark urine and pale stools. When you go to urinate, you find you are producing almost like a dark, like something so dark, or you can call it black tea urine. And some people, they experience yellow stools. Your poo is always yellow. So you know you have hepatitis B. Then, how do you treat it? Hepatitis B, it is treatable, and if managed well, you can cure very well. If you follow the instructions of a health worker, you can cure. Personally, I have a solution for hepatitis B. If you have a sister, a guardian, an uncle, a friend, whoever is suffering from hepatitis B, a parent, whoever is suffering from hepatitis B, look no further. Inbox me on WhatsApp, on message, call me, or comment in the comment section that you need a solution, and it will be delivered to you. Thank you for watching. Wait you in another episode.